Hey, I'm Eric. I run the day-to-day here at U-Stor-It, and I often find myself doing a lot of the cleaning. When it comes to keeping this place looking sharp, especially our front office and hallways, the Tomahawk Backpack Vacuum has made a huge difference. The padding is easy to wear, light on the shoulders, and doesn't leave you sore at the end of the shift. Makes a big difference when you've got a full day ahead. This vacuum handles it all. Strong suction, no clogging, and it gets into the baseboards, under furniture, and all around the shelving we've got in the office. I even use it in the storage units to hit those tall corners. It saves me a lot of time. It keeps the whole facility looking sharp.
I picked U-Stor because it looks really clean. You can tell they actually care.
That's the kind of impression I want every day. One thing I really appreciate, the HEPA filter. It traps fine dust, allergens, and whatever else gets kicked out. That makes a big difference in indoor air quality, especially when you're working in older buildings or near vents. I'm not breathing in a cloud of dust, and neither are my customers. When I'm done, dumping the dust bag takes seconds. And I can get right back to the next task. Less mess, less hassle, and no sore back at the end of the day. Honestly, I wish we'd gotten this thing years ago. It saves me time, keeps the store looking sharp, and definitely makes me look good when customers or my boss comes through.